So in this video, let's see a different crop, that is the Arecanut processing. So we all know Arecanut, that is a main common masticatory nut, like we call it as a betel nut or supari or Arecanut also. Essential requisite for several religious and the social ceremonies, we go in for using the Arecanut. So obviously, like Hindu may use of more use of Arecanut is being utilized for Indian origin. So origin and distribution has not been reliably much documented form till now. Cochin, China, Malay Peninsula and neighboring islands and East Indies. India is the only country cultivating Arecanut in a large scale and doing research on various aspects on this farm. So this graph we can see how production in million tons, like when we compare it with China, Myanmar, Bangladesh, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Thailand, Bhutan, Nepal, Malaysia, India produces more and leads in the production of the Arecanut. Other countries like East Africa, Madagascar, Zanzibar, Sri Lanka, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Malaysia, Philippines and Fiji Islands also goes in for in production of Arecanut. Area and production in India, India is the largest producer and consumer, we produce 57% of area and produce nearly 53% production. Highest productivity in China we can also obtain. Cultivated largely in plains and foothills of Western Ghats and northeastern regions of India. So 90% area and 50% production is being seen in Karnataka, Kerala and Assam. Tamil Nadu, Meghalaya, West Bengal, Maharashtra and Odisha, they give a maximum productivity. Small quantities is being exported to Nepal, UK, Singapore, Maldives and Saudi Arabia. So Arecanut is only cultivated species as a masticatory, and Areca triandra also can be chewed. Ornamental value due to suckering habit and heavy bunches of red nuts. Areca consina, another ornamental variety. So these are the in these three pictures we can see the different three varieties of Arecanut, and how it is being done is by first it is harvested. Separation is being done by using a bunch method. Transportation of the processing plant, cutting and peeling of the outer the shell or the husk is being done. Then we are boiling it, sun drying, packing and the marketing of these nuts. So as we all know, we are not processing as one whole product, three different types of Arecanuts is being processed and done. And in this picture we can see how it is being drying is being done, boiling is done and then drying in batches. They are sun drying, that is the carpets have been done on put on the floor, and wherein the open sun drying is being mainly adopted for the drying of the Arecanuts. And mostly in Arecanut processing, till now not much of the the research works have been done in processing of Arecanut, is because the export purposes of Arecanut is not more level, that is the consumption and the usage of Arecanut is not much needed in the other countries. So the export process, so when we see, as I told, there are three different types of Arecanut are being available. So in this picture we can see whole processed the taken Arecanut is being just processed and kept, and inside part of the it is processed and dried form of Arecanut can be seen in the second picture. And then the another variety, that is another processed one form, is the Arecanut that we consume in the Indian parts, is the picture that is shown in the third image. So this is has been widely used, and whereas main thing is as we already seen, not much countries, other countries like Saudi Arabia, UK, Nepal and Indonesia, they mainly go in for using this Arecanut, consumption of this Arecanut in a larger basis. So thank you. This is something about the processing of the Arecanut. So these, as I already told, these are the three varieties, the three categories of Arecanut that is being product produced, cultivated, and also exported in many different parts of the countries. Thank you.